Welcome to Cookin with Bobbi Jo. Chastity and Steve here today to take you with us to the National Cornbread Festival in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. South Pittsburg is about 28 miles from our house in Chattanooga, so it wasn't that long of a drive. And it's a beautiful drive as you go across Nickajack Lake, and all the hills of Tennessee are just beautiful this time of year. Everything's turning green and all the trees are flowering. We arrived early to beat the heat and the crowds, and they have tons of vendors with all sorts of unique things to buy, live music, great food all around, games, carnival rides, a lot of neat demonstration and historical displays, the National Cornbread Cook-Off. You can take a free tour of the Lodge Foundry during the festival. They also have tours of the historic homes of South Pittsburg, a 5K race if you're into running in that heat, and fireworks on opening night. They also have an outdoor church service on Sunday morning. There is plenty to see and do while you're there. Also, don't forget to visit the Lodge factory store and get some great deals on cast iron. So I have a lot to talk about and to show you, but this is going to be the food part of the video. We will start off at Cornbread Alley. Cornbread Alley costs $8 and you get a sample of 9 different cornbreads. This year featured cornbread flavors of the South. Some great Tennessee companies sponsor the event. You have Martha White, Bush's Beans, Mayfield Dairy Farms. Mayfield ice cream is the best. It is so drill-worthy. If y'all have never tried it, you really should if it's available in your area of the country. All money made at Cornbread Alley goes to the 9 different nonprofit organizations that cooked up the cornbread all weekend. If you want to see videos of the Foundry Tour and other Cornbread Festival points of interest, then check out our other channel, the Gallivanting Gingers. That video will post tomorrow. A link to the channel is in the description. So let's get started with Cornbread Alley. The hot sign is on.
The new South Mexican cornbread with jalapenos. It's good.
That is good.
This is the beans and greens that was advertised to have bacon. I didn't get it for the greens and the beans. Kind of bland. Got a little flavor to it. This is the hush puppy. The black-eyed pea fritter, I think. Wasn't that the first thing? Yeah. Okay, these are real good.
What are those?
The black-eyed pea fritter.
That's this one. Those are good.
This is the, yeah, this is the new South Mexican cornbread, maybe. This is good.
So, I don't know which one of mine. I think this is it. No? This one. Oh, that one's good.
This is the hot chicken. Got a little flavor to it. A little bit of heat, not much.
A little bit, but not. Ooh, that one's hot.
Yeah, that one does have a little heat to it. The Tennessee mud I'm looking forward to. This is the best. And I haven't finished the other ones. The Tennessee Muds. Good. This is the chicken and dressing. This is real good too. I got this one and these two here. And I'm not sure what's what.
Well, those small ones are all the same. She gave me multiple because they're falling apart.
And what was this though?
That's the sweet Georgia peach one.
That's right, the sweet Georgia peach.
Any comments on that one?
It's good. It tastes kind of like peach cobbler. It's got a real good flavor to it.
Have you tried them all?
Close. I think so. The hot's has more longer aftertaste than the other ones. The Tennessee Mud is the best.
That's the best. No comment.
We had one left that wasn't on this video. It was the old-fashioned cornbread. It was good, but not as tasty as some of the others with the seasonings added. Steve thought Tennessee Mud was the winner, and I thought it was a toss-up between Tennessee Mud, Southern Hush Puppies, and Sweet Georgia Peach Cornbread. But he is the food critic, so we'll go with what he says. So Tennessee Mud is the winner of our Cornbread Alley taste testing. Now let's take a look at more food around the festival.
Look at those.
It's called chip too.
Is it gator? I don't want any. You can keep your gator.
Well, that concludes the food portion of the festival. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.